Greetings, all my hamsters hustling hard on the profit wheel. Tired of the old 9-to-5 grind? Dreaming of launching your own biz but don't know where to start? Then you're gonna love what I've got for you today. This video is just the thing to kickstart your journey. And here's a little spoiler. It's easier than you think. Whether it's selling products or offering services, the way you build your business matters big time. So today, we're taking a look at how smart folks in the 21st century are getting it done. Let's dive in.
Everybody who's got a service business, you cut hair, you do consulting, you're a physical trainer, you make a video that looks like this. Hey everybody, I'm finally going after my lifelong passion to start my own landscaping business. So you're getting this video because you're in my contacts on my phone. Some of you are my best friends since high school. Others, I probably met once and you're in my phone. I'm sending this to literally everybody from A to Z in my phone. I'm not asking you to hire me to do landscaping. I'm asking if you know anyone who might be in the market for a landscaper. This is my one plea, my one ask as I start on this journey. And I hope my journey maybe even inspires some of you to finally jump and start your own thing. So I'm starting with Andrew Anderson and I'm editing with Zachary Zazaloff. I apologize if we've only talked once and you find this to be spam. I will put the link to my social media and website if you like my landscaping business. And it means a lot to me if you even watched 30 seconds of this video because it is really my dream. Have the best day. And literally text every single person. Grab your favorite beverage of choice, tea, wine, water, put on your favorite music, start at 2 p.m. on a Sunday afternoon, go into 9 p.m., get it done, you will have a business.
Whoa, that guy's persistence deserves some serious respect. And here's the thing, you don't need to be bursting with energy 24/7 to make it work. What really matters is understanding how the game has changed. Back in the day, starting a business meant hiring marketing pros, building out full strategies, and dropping stacks on ads. But now, one smart social media post can do the same job. Like it or not, this is one of the best times ever to start something of your own, as long as you do it wisely. So if you want to boost your odds of success, stick around. I've got tons more tips and tricks I can't wait to share. Catch you next time. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. Bye-bye.